What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll always stay updated on our latest Blackpink videos. If you're a Blink and your dream is to own Blackpink Lightstick 2, join the Lovesick Girls Dance Challenge for a chance to win Lightstick version 2 limited edition. Just submit your dance cover to our provided email and make sure to send your entry on or before February 28th. Have fun everyone! Shout out to Sita Lakshmi Ashok, Mila Devine, Raju CG, and Svetlana Nedelkova. If you're new here, thanks for watching and you're always welcome to join our fun challenge every month. And please don't forget to share our videos to your social media accounts. Kamsahamnida, terima kasih, dhanyavad, maraming salamat, XOXO.